Get ready, because what I'm about to show you might just change the way you look at smartphones forever. The Google Pixel 11 Pro XL is not just an upgrade, it's Google's boldest step into the future, and trust me, there's one hidden feature in this phone that no one is talking about, so make sure you watch till the end, because that surprise might blow your mind. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is shaping up to be a game changer, starting with its powerful next-gen Google Tensor G5 chip built on a 3nm architecture that promises lightning-fast performance, smoother multitasking, and AI features that feel almost alive, from real-time voice translation to enhanced photo editing that literally rebuilds details with Google AI. The display is equally impressive. A massive 6.9-inch QHD plus LTPO AMOLED panel with up to 1 to 144 Hz adaptive refresh rate, brighter outdoor visibility, punchier colors, and razor-sharp clarity that makes everything from gaming to Netflix feel cinematic. And speaking of cinema, the new camera system is what really pushes this phone into elite territory, with a 200MP main sensor, an improved 48MP periscope telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom, and an AI-powered ultra-night mode that captures bright, clear, detailed images even in near darkness, plus Google's new AI motion freeze that can stop fast-moving objects like cars, water splashes, or sports action in perfect clarity. This alone will make content creators fall in love instantly. Now let's talk battery, because this year Google is bringing a major upgrade. A 5,500 mAh battery with 80W wired fast charging, 50W wireless charging, and an intelligent AI battery manager that learns your usage patterns and extends battery life by optimizing background tasks automatically, meaning you'll get all-day power without even thinking about it. On the design side, the Pixel 11 Pro XL keeps the iconic camera bar but refines it with softer curves, lighter materials, and a premium matte finish that feels classy and comfortable in the hand. Performance-wise, this phone handles intense gaming, cinematic recording, heavy apps, and multitasking like it's nothing thanks to upgraded vapor cooling and improved GPU cores. And the suspense gets better. Google's new AI software suite, Pixel Intelligence, adds features like Smart Assistant 2.0, AI call screening with natural human-like responses, and live scene editing that lets you change backgrounds, lighting, and shadows in videos with just a tap. It's not just a smartphone anymore, it's a pocket studio. The expected launch date for the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL is around October 2025, lining up with Google's usual release cycle, and the hype is already building because early leaks suggest pricing might stay surprisingly competitive. But here's something interesting. Rumors say Google is planning to drop a secret color variant that will only be revealed during the launch event, and that's not even the surprise I promised earlier. Before I reveal it, let me build the tension a little more, because this phone has one feature people will absolutely go crazy for, an experimental AI adaptive satellite mode, which may let the Pixel 11 Pro XL connect to satellites for emergency communication even without cellular service. Now imagine having that in your pocket. And now, the final surprise for everyone who watched this far. Leaked insider info suggests Google might bundle a free pair of next-gen Pixel Buds Pro 2 for the first limited batch of buyers, but Google hasn't confirmed it yet. If that turns out to be true, this could be the smartest tech purchase of the year. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know.